There are so many people out there suffering from acid reflux, GERD, LPR, which is called silent reflux, and typically you have like a lump in your throat. You wake up in the morning with a lot of congestion, sinus congestion, a sore throat, a weird sour taste in your mouth, or in the middle of the night you're coughing a lot with a lot of phlegm. That's pretty common with silent reflux, or also called LPR. And for those of you that are suffering with a hiatal hernia, and some of you may not have been diagnosed with a hiatal hernia, but you're having all these symptoms, and just be warned that the tests out there for hiatal hernia are not very accurate, okay? If it's a small hiatal hernia, it can be very symptomatic for only 15% of the population. The other 85% are asymptomatic. But if you're one of those symptomatic people and they don't find a hiatal hernia on an endoscopy or a barium swallow, don't get frustrated, don't get annoyed. You probably have a hiatal hernia. Now, I did a great video on the finger test, the hiatal hernia finger test check. You can certainly go to my website, synergywellnessny.com, click on conditions that we treat, and you'll see under hiatal hernia that finger test. You'll also see the video that we did on hiatal hernia finger test. But if you're having all these symptoms, difficulty breathing, even panic attacks, and you've had your heart condition or a heart condition ruled out, then you definitely have a hiatal hernia. It just hasn't showed up on your endoscopy or on the tests that you've done with your gastroenterologist. Again, don't be worried. Don't be concerned. Just know that you probably have it and it just didn't show up on the test. So that's why I developed a product called the Reflux Shield, okay? Now this device right here will help you correct the hiatal hernia and help alleviate all the nasty, nasty symptoms associated with hiatal hernia, like the ones I just spoke about in the beginning of this video. So this is a really safe technique. It's an osteopathic technique that I've been using for 25 years with over a 93% success rate. And such a high success rate, I felt like I had to create a device, a tool that people could do to themselves from the comfort of their own home, because a lot of chiropractors, a lot of body workers, doctors do not know how to do this technique. Somewhere, somehow this technique was lost. So go to refluxshield.com, okay, and get your Reflux Shield today, and you will help alleviate that burning sensation and help ease your digestive discomfort today. Thanks for tuning in, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. I've worked really hard over the last few years to create this device, and it's extremely effective when used properly. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.